Robinhood is a commission-free stock trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It was founded in 2013 with the mission to democratize access to financial markets and make investing more accessible for everyone. Here's a step-by-step guide to help beginners start trading on Robinhood and secure their payments and transactions in 2024. 1. Create a Robinhood account. Visit the Robinhood website, w.robinhood.com, or download the Robinhood app on your smartphone. Follow the prompts to create an account by providing your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to verify your identity and link a bank account for deposits and withdrawals. Fund your account. To begin trading, you'll need to fund your Robinhood account. Link a U.S. bank account to your Robinhood profile and follow the instructions to complete the funding process. It may take a few business days for the funds to become available in your account. 3. Research and select investments. Before investing, it's crucial to research and understand the companies or assets you're interested in. Robinhood offers a built-in feature called Snacks that provides basic information on various stocks and other assets. You can also use external resources like financial news websites, stock analysis tools, and social media platforms to gather more information. 4. Place your trade. Once you've decided which investment to purchase, open the Robinhood app or website and search for the stock or asset by its ticker symbol or name. Tap or click on the asset, review the details, and then enter the number of shares you want to buy or the amount you want to invest. Confirm your order and wait for it to be executed. 5. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investment's performance by regularly checking your Robinhood account. You can view your portfolio's performance, set price alerts, and receive notifications about important events affecting your investments. 6. Secure your payments and transactions. To ensure the security of your payments and transactions on Robinhood, follow these best practices. A. Use strong passwords. Always use a unique, strong password for your Robinhood account and change it regularly. B. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. C. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. D. Keep your personal information safe. Never share your login credentials, personal information, or account details with anyone. E. Update your app and software. Keep your Robinhood app and device software up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and features. F. Be aware of phishing scams. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that ask for your personal or account information. Robinhood will never ask for this information via email or text. By following these steps and security measures, you can successfully start trading on Robinhood and ensure the safety of your payments and transactions.